So guys, they're going to be reviewing and unboxing these Fender Gold tuners. These are the Deluxe Cast tuners with pearl buttons and gold housings. So you can see here's the back, the sides. So we can see that the paper is stapled to the bag. Slide these out. So here we go. We have the 6 tuners right here. Stick one out. So you can see it has 2 stems here to install into the neck. You have the slot right here to install the string. And then the pearl button itself. These feel like super nice. These have like a good weight to them. The turning's super smooth. If you can hear it. Feels super nice. So you can see, here's the bolt, and here's like your little washer to install these. So here's the washer itself. It's gold plated both sides. The finish is super consistent, super nice quality. Consistent finish on the bolt too. You can see how nice the finishing is on this. You can see it says Fender as well. Super nice. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all later.